Is Temu legit? Temu has gained significant attention as an online shopping platform offering a wide variety of products at incredibly low prices. With such discounts, many consumers question whether Temu is legitimate and safe to use. This guide provides a detailed review of Temu's operations, reliability, and potential risks. 1. Overview of Temu. Temu, launched in 2022, is an online marketplace owned by PDD Holdings, the same company behind Pinduoduo, a massive e-commerce platform in China. It operates similarly to AliExpress, connecting US consumers with manufacturers and suppliers overseas, particularly from China. Second, legitimacy and business operations. Temu is a legitimate and registered business that serves millions of customers across the United States and other countries. The company has gained traction by offering low-cost goods directly from manufacturers, minimizing middlemen, and reducing costs. 3. Product quality and pricing. Temu provides products in various categories including clothing, electronics, home goods, and accessories. However, the low prices often correspond with lower quality materials and inconsistent product performance. While many customers report satisfactory purchases, others find products that differ significantly from their descriptions. Fourth, payment security and methods. Temu supports secure payment methods such as credit or debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, PayPal, Apple Pay/Google Pay, Afterpay for installment payments. All transactions are protected with SSL encryption, ensuring data safety. 5. Shipping, delivery, and tracking. Temu offers free or low-cost shipping, but delivery typically takes 7 to 15 business days due to international logistics. The platform provides tracking information, but delays can occur, especially during peak seasons or customs processing. 6. Return policy and customer protection. Temu has a 90-day return policy, allowing customers to return unsatisfactory items. Refunds are typically processed within a few days after the return is received. Return shipping is free on the first return for each order. 7. Common complaints and concerns. Despite its legitimacy, Temu faces several common complaints. Product quality inconsistencies. Items may look different from pictures. Long shipping times. International delivery can take weeks. Data privacy concerns. Some users worry about potential data harvesting, as PDD Holdings faced scrutiny in the past. Customer service issues. Customer support is responsive, but sometimes struggles to resolve complex problems efficiently. 8. Data privacy and security concerns. Temu has faced scrutiny regarding its data privacy practices due to its parent company's history. While it follows industry-standard security protocols, privacy advocates caution against sharing sensitive information with the platform. 9. Tips for safe shopping on Temu. Read product reviews and ratings before purchasing. Avoid sharing unnecessary personal information beyond what's required for transactions. Use PayPal for an extra layer of buyer protection. Manage expectations. Extremely low prices often mean lower quality. Conclusion: Temu is a legitimate online marketplace that delivers products at remarkably low prices. However, the quality can be inconsistent and shipping times may be long. Customers seeking affordable items for non-essential purchases may find value in Temu, but those looking for higher quality or time-sensitive items should consider more established retailers.